Welcome to Stock Invest YouTube channel and this stock report for Evofem Biosciences. The report was first published on our website Wednesday, July 6, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Our aim is to help you answer the question, should I buy or sell Evofem Biosciences? In this video, you will get insight into the technical and fundamental situation and future price predictions. Please remember to subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since June 27, 2022, our system ranks the Evofem Biosciences stock as a sell candidate, giving it a score of 4.883. If you were following our analysis, you would have had an amazing gain of 24.3% since we first told you to buy Evofem Biosciences 7 days ago. This is an average return of 3.47% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Evofem Biosciences, our last headline reads, volatile ride for Evofem Biosciences stock price on Wednesday moving between $1.03 and $1.42. The Evofem Biosciences stock price gained 20.91% on the last trading day, Wednesday, July 6, 2022, rising from $1.10 to $1.33. And has now gained 3 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the day, the stock fluctuated 37.86% from a day low at $1.03 to a day high of $1.42. The price has risen in 5 of the last 10 days and is up by 314.2% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, and, in total, 84 million more shares were traded than the day before. In total, 142 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $189.46 million. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $1.51, and the lowest price was 11 cents. Right now the price is 11.92%, or 18 cents, below 52-week high and 89.69%, or $11.57, below all-time high January 4, 2018 where the price hit $12.90. The stock lies in the middle of a very wide and strong rising trend in the short term, and a further rise within the trend is signaled. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 37.14% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -60.85% and 76.16%. The 12-month trend indicates a -23.97% change over the next 12 months, with a possible return between -97.61% and -23.80%. This equals a price between $0.0317 and $1.01 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. From analysts, Evofem Biosciences stock received a general neutral rating. The analysts give PE ratio a neutral and price to book a neutral rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the Evofem Biosciences stock a strong sell rating. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for Evofem Biosciences. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the stock. The Evofem Biosciences stock holds by signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $1.08 and 58 cents. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence-divergence, MACD. Volume is rising along with the price. This is considered to be a good technical signal. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, May 6, 2022, and so far it has fallen -5%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence-divergence holds a buy signal. Pivots gave a sell signal 41 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 94 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 12 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 8 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart. gave a buy signal 6 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a buy signal 9 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 8 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 7 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Evofem Biosciences. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $1.13 and $1.10. There is natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, Evofem Biosciences finds support just below today's level at $1.13. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $1.10 and $1.07. This stock may move very much during the day, volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved 39 cents between high and low, or 37.86%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 34.95%. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Evofem Biosciences meets first resistance at $1.40. If you do not hold Evofem Biosciences shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, Evofem Biosciences finds first level of support at $1.13, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. In the table we have listed other potential swing trading levels based on the famous Fibonacci model. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Evofem Biosciences is neutral. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On May 27, 2022, Pelletier Sandra L. made an inside buy of 141,000 of common stock. On May 4, 2022, Greer Jillian made an inside buy of 6,000 of stock option, right to buy. On May 4, 2022, Rarick Lisa Dale made an inside buy of 6,000 of stock option, right to buy. On May 4, 2022, Rutherford Collin made an inside buy of 6,000 of stock option, right to buy. On May 4, 2022, Kamdar Kim P. made an inside buy of 6,000 of stock option, right to buy. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive at a ratio of 71.078. In total, the insiders bought 8,669,953 and sold 33,148,436 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is $1.26, minus 5.40%. This stock has very high daily movements and this gives very high risk. The RSI 14 is 80 and this increases the risk substantially. There is a sell signal from a pivot top found 40 days ago. Is Evofem Biosciences stock a buy? Several short-term signals, along with a general good trend, are positive, and we conclude that the current level may hold a buying opportunity as there is a fair chance for Evofem Biosciences stock to perform well in the short term. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Thursday 7th, we expect Evofem Biosciences to open down negative $0.0700 and start trading at $1.26. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. And remember to subscribe to the channel to get all the latest videos and updates.